Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. I know today is Thursday, not Wednesday. I said every Wednesday we'll be doing backtesting video. But guys, to show you I'm very committed, yesterday I could not upload video because of one reason. But today I'm here with the backtesting video. So watch this video as we wait for Thursday. That is the word of God. So yeah, so I want us to backtest GBP card and I show you what 95% see in the market and what who you are watching, the person who are watching this video, I believe you're the 5%, what you'll be watching, what you'll be seeing in the chart. So every time you open the chart, you have to have two people in mind. Am I the 95% or am I the 5%? So if you're the 5%, guys, this is what you should be watching. So everyone who is opening this chart, they are seeing a double bottom. And this is what the 95% will always see. So type down below if you saw that double bottom. No problem. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to take you along to the 5%. So everyone will see that double bottom. Let me write it there. It's a possible double bottom. So you're doing your own analysis. You see, oh, I've spotted a possible double bottom. And of course, a possible double bottom, we need to mark our neckline. So this is what the 95% does or do, whatever way you want to call it. Everyone does this neckline. So we have the neckline there. So my neckline is in place. Funny thing, the 95% know how to do the analysis. If you ask them, they will know how to mark their chart. So a lot, something just twists their mind and they lose everything. So we can see that that is our possible double bottom and that is a half. Something I have taught here, and if you have never known, anytime your half is very far from the second touch, because this is the touch, this is the leg, the market has activated that double bottom. Anytime that the half is very far from where the second attempt is, we need to mark or to identify half of the half. It's very good to work with half of the half. So if this market gives us an entry, I think that is our target. So we'll be targeting half of the half. And the half of the half is color blue, so that I can differentiate what I'm working with. So you will have half of the half and half of the half and the half of the half. Mostly, maybe you're doing analysis with 4 hours, you won't find half of the half. But sometimes the market can even range on half of the half to create a cap and handle. So it is important always to put in mind that any possible double bottom, you can have the half and also half of the half, because sometimes the market might come and range to that zone. So now you have this in mind. So that you have this in mind, if you have this in mind, let's now see what happens. What gives you a way out to trade a double bottom? If you have been here long enough, you know we use WBB. And guys, has WBB given us an entry? Yes. Can you see? So this was an easy trade from monthly perspective to sell, to buy all the way to the half of the half. So how many pips were those? 776 pips. Now this is what people analyze. This is how they analyze, and you can't blame them. But what the 5% and the banks now are seeing, they are seeing a channel. How many people had seen this channel? So that's how the banks view that area. So they will see that pattern. And for some reason, they're thinking, if this channel breaks, we are taking it all the way down. So this is how the banks are seeing it. So that's the way the banks are seeing it. So that is a channel. And then remember, everything, even if it's a channel, everything, we will work with half, because the market sometimes may not give you the full TP. So the channel, I always train that we have two take profits. We have the take profit 1, that is the half, and the take profit 2. Guys, are we together from there? 2 patterns in 1. Not many people who will see the channel, not many people who will see that the market reacted. Why did the market react? Why all this reaction? It's because it had touched half. That's why that market went that crazy. Like the reaction was very, very significant. Now, knowing all this and the market is doing all this way, we know that the chance of this market to come down is very high. Like the market can come, they work with the double bottom, come to half, then come down and complete. Again, when we know the double bottom has given out, the market can proceed up to the half, no doubt about that, because already the business with this half is completed. But what we can't now put in mind is that the market, if it goes to half over half, there's possibility of creating a cup and handle. So in the same chart, guys, we might have a cup and handle. We might have a cup and handle. And a cup and handle looks like something like that. And then this handle has to be completed. So all along, the market has to go up. I just want to show you confluences. So for us to create that handle, the market has to buy. The market, again, for this channel, the market has hit the TP1 that is guaranteed, and most of the time the market will reverse. So the market again has to buy. The double bottom, half of the half, the market has to buy. So the patterns that you have in the moment, they are projecting a buy. If now you want to buy this market, there's something that people don't understand is that if you're told you want to buy this market, you go to 4 hour and wait for alignment, because this is a pair that you will hold. We are holding all the way to take profit to that half of the half. So we'll go to 4 hour. Let me remove the pattern, the cup and handle, and this arrow. And I remove the box. So we are going to 4 hour to look for what? For entry, alignment. In this case, we want to go to daily, we want to go to weekly, we want to go to monthly. Have given us a go-ahead buy. We have seen it was a channel. We have seen all those things. Now, when you have this as your 4 hour, remember, the market is going down. There's no, we are waiting for this alignment. We are waiting to see where will this market align to? Where will the market align to? Will the market come here, make a possible double bottom? Come here, make a possible double bottom? That one we are not aware of. If you have a bigger account and you buy immediately, it means you don't have a problem of drawdown. Will it go there, or will it go down and hit again the half again, make a double bottom? Because it can do that. There is not like, it's not like rocket science. It can drop and make a double bottom. So you have to be very clear what the market wants to do. So as we are waiting, let's see. So you won't be in a rush. You won't be in a rush to buy because monthly has said you buy. The only thing we can't do, we don't want to come and sell. So the market, we are waiting for the market to touch those zones. And at the moment, we have a consolidation kind of a zone. It's not a must the market comes to your zone. You have to keep that in mind. It's not a must the market drop. 4 hour has declared a channel. So if the buyers are strong enough and they break this channel, we are putting a buy and we'll be targeting all the way to half of the half. Guys, pay attention. But 4 hour is it's the king, the one that is giving us the permission. So we wait and see what happens. So you can see on 4 hour, the market is ranging on that zone, and immediately a very big candle. Once you see this candle momentum, when I was teaching about ABM strategy, I was saying any momentum candle has a purpose. It can be either A, approaching, and then B, breaking a zone, or M, a mission. So this one has broken a channel and it's on a mission to do what? It's on a mission to be either on this zone or this zone. So we are not doing anything. Remember, even if monthly told us to buy, would you have bought? No, because 4 hour has not aligned, and that's what I'm teaching on this channel. So the market continued, broke the first possible double bottom, broke the second one, and you're thinking, okay, what is happening if we entered? And for some reason, we think, finally, we have a possible double bottom. But you see, on 4 hour, I taught you guys how to enter an entry, how to get an entry using double bottom on 4 hour. We wait for resistance break, current resistance break. And in this case, the current resistance break is all the way here. So if the market has not broken that area, you don't have any business to deal with this possible double bottom. You don't have any business. So we continue and see, and we are hoping it won't violate the possible double bottom. But if it violates, maybe it's coming to this zone. So you wait. Remember, many people can ask, why didn't you sell? Why didn't you say, oh, these pips, 300 pips? But my question is, on monthly, was it a sell or buy? It was a buy. So don't allow the trap zone to just confuse you. So we are thinking, oh, we have a green candle. Let's wait to see. Now our current resistance has shifted from here to here. So that's what we are working with. We wait patiently. And even you can write, I will only get involved if the market do what? Wait BOS, if the market has broken structure. So we wait. As we wait, the market is tempting to break that zone. And eventually, the market breaks. The market breaks the zone. So two things can happen. The market can either give you like attempted there, or the market can proceed, because if at all you use, we call it BWA. If I use BWA, I already know what to do. And a BWA, I only teach it on my mentorship program. So if BWA happens here, I don't need to wait for this possible double bottom. This one is violated, this one. So it's either BWA happens or the market activates the double bottom. So let's wait and see what happens. So once BWA is confirmed, the green candle confirms BWA. For me, I can enter very confident. This buy, remember, I have been saved how many pips? Remember, monthly had said, we'll go and buy, but you just took your time. Like you have been saved 400 and something pips. For me, I was just getting. Why? One, I was just looking for a confirmation. I was just looking for, it's called what? A discounted price. It's not like I'm interested to sell. I'm much interested to buy, because I know buying is long term. For me, I would rather miss 500 pips and get 1,000 pips that I know it's a long-term trade. So I'm targeting up to half of the half, because that's why I think the market will approach to. And then that is how many pips? 1,146. But people are saying, oh, but you missed 250. You missed 300 pips. But I'm getting 1,000 pips. So what made me enter this trade using 4 hours was BWA, nothing else. And if this double bottom will be activated, guys, the only thing now I need to do, if double bottom gets activated when I'm inside, I just need to monitor which zone they have. I just need to monitor this zone to be broken. So that is the zone I need to monitor. That is what is scaring my entry. Like I have to be scared on that zone. Let me now remove this. I don't want the chart to be to have so many things. So I remove that. So the only area that is making me like I feel, oh, what if this market won't go all the way, is that half. If that half is not broken, like the market starts to consolidate, I will use the principle of double bottom. There's no way I can assume that, oh, because monthly has said a buy, I assume this line is very precious. So I will be in a trade, and as I monitor the activation, I'm monitoring activation here, so that that principle can happen. If that activation does not happen, the market will still go up. Why? Because the buy was confirmed on monthly. I don't need another pattern. I already have a double bottom. People don't understand. On 4 hour, we are just looking for discounted price. We are not necessarily looking for a pattern to enter. The pattern that I was given was a double bottom on monthly. So let me see what happened. So the market starts to go up. The market starts to go up, and we are trying to see. So they attempt, can you see? They have attempted our half. For some reason, I'm very happy. If I entered here already, I have 107 pips, like I have 200 pips. I can even think of closing my first 200 pips because I know two things can happen. The market can either break here, I can enter again, the market can come down. So if you have 200 pips and it is very fast, you can have a point of, let me first close this profit as I wait, because these are long-term trade. So I can decide to hold, or I can decide to remain. Now, the market has broke here. This is not like it is a go, a market has, we can say what? It is not like, oh, it has broken, now it is go up. Guys, the double bottom has not been activated. So unless this market activates the double bottom, and now buyers come and break, this is the break that you want. I hope it is clear. This breaking is not relevant to us, but the area, if you have profit, it's relevant because it's an institutional zone. When you have an institutional zone, what you need to understand is that that area is very, very serious. Institutional traders are putting in their trades, or they are taking out their trades. So after that, we will see what happens. So the market continues up and continues up and continues up. I will play this quickly to see, did we get our target of 1,000 pips? And if we got, what did we do? Which magic did we do? So let me play it quickly for you guys to see what happened. So we can see that the market attempted to go and activate the double bottom, but it never did. Imagine seeing 1,000 pips going like that. You enter here, 1,000 pips just because of monthly. Why do you think I hold my trades? I need monthly time frame to align with 4 hour. Monthly time frame give me a go ahead. All I need is 4 hours to give me a confirmation. Anyone who was waiting for a double bottom, they never traded this market. For me, I use BWA for entry. Those who are my students know what I'm talking about. It gave me more confidence because I could have even bought here and be taken drawdown for 2-3 days, and then the market giving me 1,000 pips. Guys, this was an easy trade. So when you go to daily, because I never flipped on daily, and I'll tell you why. When I went to daily, I had this. There was so many information that I didn't want to see. I just wanted to be accurate with 4 hour, with monthly. You can see monthly how it was. This is the candle that touched the half of the half. And I don't know if this market continued. Let me see if the market continued. You can see the market was continuing to do what? To target this zone. But half of the half, why do you think, now that's where the market is. Why do you think the market is there, half of the half, after what we have talked about? In the next video, I will tell you why the market has stagnated there. What is the approach from the half of the half? I don't want to make these videos too long. I think in the next lesson, I'll be teaching on GBP card current market, what to expect, and will it drop another 1,000 pips down? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something. Until next time, bye-bye. Thank you. Love you. But if I lay down and I play down